High above the world, where the air is thin, the winds cut like blades, and life clings to existence against overwhelming odds. A remarkable animal endures. Food is scarce. Oxygen is scarce. Shelter is scarce. Yet predators roam these barren heights, and survival demands constant vigilance. This is the realm of the Tibetan antelope, one of nature's most extraordinary high-altitude survivors. Also known as the Chiru, the Tibetan antelope is among the least studied hoofed mammals on Earth. Its mystery comes from isolation and altitude. These animals live exclusively on the Tibetan Plateau, nearly 4,500 meters above sea level. Here, vegetation is sparse, temperatures are brutal, and the environment is unforgiving. Yet this harsh land is their home. Life at extreme altitude demands extraordinary biology. Most mammals cannot function efficiently in such thin air, but the Chiru possesses a remarkable adaptation. Its blood contains high concentrations of fetal hemoglobin, a form normally found only in unborn and newborn mammals, designed to absorb oxygen rapidly. In most species, this disappears with age. Even the freezing air they breathe is managed carefully. Like snow leopards, they warm incoming air by mixing it with heat from exhaled breath, protecting internal organs from freezing damage. These antelopes endure piercing winds, violent storms, and relentless cold. Their protection lies in their fur. Long, dense guard hairs form a protective outer layer, a natural armor against the elements. Beneath it lies an incredibly soft, lightweight undercoat trapping warmth, even during freezing nights, which occur year-round, even in summer. This luxurious coat once nearly doomed them. Its rarity and quality led to uncontrolled hunting, pushing the species to the brink of extinction by the late 20th century. Today, their situation is improving, but nature itself still presents many dangers. Even at these heights, predators exist. Tibetan wolves patrol the open steppes, perfectly adapted to the harsh environment. They track herds relentlessly, sometimes for days. Yet speed is the antelope's greatest defense. An adult Chiru can run faster than 70 kilometers per hour. Across open ground, wolves cannot catch a healthy individual, even with superior numbers. So they rely on patience and strategy. They watch from a distance. They wait for weakness. To survive, Tibetan antelopes gather in massive herds, sometimes hundreds strong. Within such crowds, individuals vanish into moving waves of bodies. For wolves, attacking becomes inefficient. But timing changes everything. During breeding season, pregnant females leave the herd traveling up to 300 kilometers to reach isolated birthing grounds. And their vulnerability begins. Within days, they can run. But speed alone does not guarantee survival. Predators hunt most actively at night. So mothers lead their young to hidden mountain slopes each evening where ambush becomes harder. The journey itself is brutal. Calves must cross powerful currents, harsh winds, and freezing terrain from their first days of life. Those who fall behind or fail to cross rivers face tragic outcomes. Wolves are relentless. Once separated from the mother, a calf's chances vanish quickly. Some predators remain unseen until it is too late. High above the herds, the snow leopard watches. Master of camouflage, silent as falling snow. Yet it rarely targets antelope in open plains where they detect danger from afar. Instead, it hunts rams among rocky heights, where concealment favors the predator. Even bears may prey on calves. As calves grow stronger, they practice mock battles preparation for adulthood. Because their greatest future, conflicts may not come from predators, but from rivals. During mating season, males clash violently. Half-meter, saber-like horns slash through the air. At full speed, collisions can be devastating. Some fights end in serious injury or worse. Despite predators, storms, and brutal terrain, the greatest danger has always been human greed. Poaching for their valuable fur continues even under hunting bans. Today, around 200,000 Tibetan antelopes remain. With proper protection, their future is still possible. But survival is never guaranteed, even in the highest places on Earth. High on the windswept plateau, where the air is thin and survival is never guaranteed, the Tibetan antelope continues its silent journey. Born into cold shaped by hardship, perfectly adapted to a world few creatures can endure. Speed protects them. Instinct guides them. And resilience keeps them moving across the roof of the world. Yet even the strongest survivors depend on balance. Between nature predators and human choices. If protection continues, these graceful runners will keep crossing the endless steppe, breathing the frozen air, and proving that life can flourish even at the very edge of existence. If you enjoyed this journey into one of Earth's most extreme ecosystems, support the episode with a like. Share your thoughts in the comment, and subscribe for more stories from the wild. Until next time, spend your time wisely.